Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video is about how to fix frozen iPhone XR. So, your iPhone XR is frozen and you can't do anything. A common scenario is that you are opening an app or have already been using the app. All of a sudden, the app crashed and your iPhone XR screen became frozen and stuck. It's just stuck and won't respond to any touch, swipe, or tap. Sometimes your iPhone XR frozen won't turn off at all. Don't worry. This video will show you 3 easy solutions to fix iPhone XR frozen screen. Now, let's start. Okay, the first method is to force turn off iPhone XR when screen is frozen and then turn it back on. System bugs and overloaded cache are the common reason why your iPhone XR freezes when running apps. And doing a force restart can remove all of them to refresh the system. So, how to restart iPhone XR when frozen? It's easy. All you need to do is to press then release the volume up button. Press then release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button on the right side until you see the Apple logo showing up on the screen. Let's do it. Press volume up button, volume down button, and side button. Keep holding the side button for around 10 seconds. You should see your device shut down and after a while, the Apple logo appears. Now, let go of the side button and wait for your iPhone XR to restart. When it boots up to the home screen, unlock the phone and you successfully unfreeze your iPhone XR now. Next, what if your iPhone XR frozen and won't turn off? Maybe your device is running an out-of-date system firmware and you should do an update. As your iPhone XR froze and can't enter the settings app, you'll need to use a USB cable to connect it to your computer and update with iTunes or Finder. Run iTunes or Finder. You might find your device doesn't show up on the computer because the screen is frozen and you can't enter the passcode. To solve this problem, you can put your device into recovery mode. This is an Apple-safe mode where iTunes or Finder can directly detect your phone even when it's frozen and unresponsive. No data will be lost. Now, let's do it. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and the side button. Keep holding the side button for around 15 seconds. Don't release even when you see the Apple logo. Now, release the side button when you enter the recovery mode. You'll see a screen like this. Keep your iPhone XR connected and go to your computer. In iTunes or Finder, it'll pop up a window asking you to update or restore the phone. Choose the update option and follow the on-screen steps to update your phone. Once done, your iPhone XR will reboot and turn back onto the home screen. See, your iPhone XR won't be frozen anymore. The last iPhone XR frozen screen fix is to restore the phone. This step will delete everything on your phone like the photo, contact, message, and so on. So, try the 2 methods above first. And if they won't work, make sure you have backed up your content and then go with this solution. Here's how to reset iPhone XR when frozen. Plug your phone into the computer and launch iTunes or Finder. Next, put your phone into recovery mode. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and the side button. Keep holding the side button for around 15 seconds. Don't release even when you see the Apple logo. Now, release the side button when you enter the recovery mode. In your computer, choose Restore from the dialog box that pops up. Finish the following instructions as prompted to trigger the reset process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take 30 minutes or 2 hours. So, please wait patiently. Once done, your frozen iPhone XR will restart and boot up to the hello screen. Set it up quickly and then your device is back to the normal status now. That's all how to fix frozen iPhone XR screen. Hope this video helps you unfreeze your stuck device and refresh the system. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.